My name is Micah. I'm in 11th grade. I'm 16.
How did you get involved with ramp?
I guess my mom was in my school and they asked her to sign some papers for a rent program or mentoring program. And all I know is my mom was telling me about it and she's telling me that it was a Be More Beautiful thing with them too, where I get paid $50. I really didn't care for the money, but I still came for the fun.
What is one thing you really like about ramp?
The people,
What about the people you like?
like they're very nice and you could talk to them about anything. They're there for you.
What have you learned in ramp about preparing for careers and for your future?
Okay, well, what I had learned was that how to communicate more and how to talk with people and how to have eyesight with them and stuff, like, and know what, like, when they ask questions, know how to say or how to say it in a sentence
Okay.
or conversate with them.
What are your long-term goals?
My long-term goals are to be a famous volleyball player and, well, my side hustle is to be a chef.
How has ramp helped influence these goals?
They help with like helping me focus more on my goals and help me with my schoolwork to bring my grades up for me to do what I want to do in the future and stuff.
What would be your advice to other young people who want to prepare for the workforce?
Focus a lot and don't do things your friends want you to do. Be a leader, and that's it.
Do you have an interview today?
Yes.
Do you think being in ramp has prepared you for your interview today?
Yes.
How so?
Say it again.
How has ramp prepared you for your interview today?
Well, they asked me some questions yesterday, so I can have some so I can be prepared. And over the time and in the past, we was always talking about helping me get a job and stuff. So it's like they prepared me very well.
And that's the who prepared you exactly?
Mr. Tavon, Miss Loretta, Mr. Bernard, and Miss Audrey, and Miss Jasmine. Well, all the mentors, and yeah, and the people I come here with, like Kevin, Lamar, Mr. Eric, Miss J. That's my therapist.
So you've had a community of support from
And my mom, and my dad, and my sisters, and my brother.
Anything else you'd like to share about ramp and your experience?
Rap is really fun. And I think I would tell kids to come too, because like it would keep you out of things and you always would stay busy and you always have tasks to do and stuff. So
Thank you.
you're welcome.